हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू प्रमोद एकेडमी। प्रमोद एकेडमी में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि हमने केसी सिन्हा का सॉल्यूशन दिया ट्रिगोनोमेट्री का क्लास 10th का। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन इन इंग्लिश मीडियम एंड इट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर क्लास 10th स्टूडेंट, especially for NCERT students who is studying as a CBSE board and ICSE board. So today I will start from exercise 8.1. So let's start exercise 8.1. In exercise 8.1, we have the question in front of you. But before I start these questions, I have to give some formula and I have to tell you some basic things of trigonometry. Without basic things, you cannot solve the trigonometry problem. So some basic formula, as you know, trigonometry. What is the trigonometry? First of all, we have to define what is trigonometry. So definition of trigonometry, as you know, trigonometry spelling is trigonometry. Try, there is one word try. Try means होता है 3. Try means, what is the meaning of try? Try means 3. Gone means होता है एंगल और मेट्री इज मेट्रॉन मीन्स मेजरमेंट। दैट मीन्स definition of trigonometry is measurement of all three angles in triangle is called trigonometry. That means if there is one triangle, if you are measuring of all angle of the all three in trigonometry, all three angles, that is called trigonometry. So this is called trigonometry. So trigonometry has 6 ratio. 6, that is called trigonometrical ratio. So let me tell you first. This is first ratio: sin, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. So these are the ratio of trigonometry. So all having some formula. In sin, as you know, it is the p by h, cos b by h, tan p by b, cot b by p, cosec h by p, sec h by b. So these are the formula. With the help of this formula, I will solve all these problem in exercise 8.1. So in right angle triangle, a triangle which having one angle is 90 degree, that is called right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, there are 3 sides. One is called hypotenuse, which sides is the longest side in right angle triangle, that is called hypotenuse. That means if it is right angle triangle, this is longest sides and it is called hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse, and other 2 sides are, one is perpendicular and other is base. So other 2 sides always vary according to angle. Suppose if I will take this angle C, that means the in front of angle C will call perpendicular. So for this angle, perpendicular will be this. If I will take this angle A, then perpendicular will change. So it will vary according to this angle. Perpendicular will be this. And base is always connected with that angle. Suppose if I will talk about the base of for this angle, then base will, there is one side it is connected with A, and another sides AC is also connected with A. So longest sides never be base. So that means this will never be base, and another sides which is smaller than longest sides, that is called base. So a triangle which having the longest sides is called hypotenuse, and a a sides which is in front of given angle, that is called perpendicular, and one sides that is connected with given angle and that should not be hypotenuse, that is called base. So now I will start the problem of this exercise 8.1 NCERT book. So here in triangle ABC, right angle triangle at B, it means B is the right angle triangle, that means B is a 90-degree angle. So now I will draw one triangle according to this problem. So in this problem, triangle ABC and B is 90-degree. Here it is B and it is 90-degree. And AC will be, suppose it is A and it is C. AB equal to 24 centimeter. This AB equal to 24 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter. And BC is equal to 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. And then determine sin A and cos A. So sin A and cos A, that means angle is A. In cos also angle is A. So I have to take this angle. This is A angle. According to this angle, I have to solve this problem. So in front of this angle, BC is the sides which will called perpendicular. That means it is B and it is base. It is base. And this is longest sides. It will never change. It will always will be fixed. That is called hypotenuse. So AC is the hypotenuse. Here BC is the perpendicular and AB is the base. So but H is not given. Here H is not given. So first of all I have to find the value of H. So what will be the value of H? To find the value of H, I have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. As you know, Pythagoras theorem, there is one formula, H square equal to P square plus B square. This is Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, this formula is given by Pythagoras. So if I will put the value, I will get the value of H. Here P, what is the value of P? 7 square plus B 24 square H square. 7 square 49 576. So 625. H square equal to 625. Then H equal to root under 625. What is the square root of 625? It will be 25. So now I got the value of H. H equal to 25 centimeter. H equal to 25 centimeter. Now I have to find the value of sin A and cos A. Sin A equal to P by H. What is the value of P? P 7. What is the value of H? 25. 25. This is the answer. Now value of cos A. Cos A equal to B by H. 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. Value of H is 25 centimeter. So these two are the answer of this question first A. Now I will talk about second. Here angle is C. Sin C and cos C. So in this case P and B will change. Here this case, if angle will be C, P, this will be P, this will be P, and this will be B. So sin C equal to P by H. P, for this angle P is 24, 24. H is always fixed, 25, 25. This is the answer. Cos C, for cos C, B by H. What is the value of B? For this angle B is 7 and H is always fixed, 25. 20. These two will be the answer of question number 1 and 2. Next, according to this figure, in this figure 8.13, find 10p minus cot r. So expression is given here. Expression is given here 10p minus cot r. So this angle, according to this angle, this will be P and H is always fixed and this will be B. So I have to find the value of P. So according to Pythagoras theorem, P equal to root under H square minus B square. Here H, value of H is 13, 13 square minus 12 square. So 169, square of 13 is equal to 169 minus 144. So it is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So this is 5. Now 10p. So 10p equal to P by B. Here according to P angle, P will be 5 and B will be 12. So 5 by 12. Cot R equal to B by P. There is a formula B by P. Here according to R, B is 5. B is 5 and P is 12. So both value are 5 by 12. Here as per expression 10p minus cot r, 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. So it will be 0. Answer is 0. Question number 3. If sin A equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So solution, given sin A equal to 3 by 4, P by H. First of all, I will draw the right angle triangle here. A, B, so 3 and 4. According to A, this will be 3 and this will be 4. I have to calculate this P. B. So B equal to root under H square minus P square. Here H, value of H is 4, 4 square minus P square, 4 square minus 3 square. So 16 minus 9, root 7. Root 7 is the value of B. This is root 7. B, value of B is root 7. Cos A and tan A. Yes, cos A equal to B by H. Here for A, B is root 7, H is 4. This is the answer. And second is tan A. Tan A equal to P by B. For A, P is this 3, H is root 7. This is the answer. Question number 4. Given 15 cot A equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. Solution, given 15 cot A equal to 8. Cot A equal to 8 by 15. So cot A barabar equal to B by P. Here H is not given. So H equal to P square plus B square over root. So here value of P is 15 square plus 8 square equal to 225, 64, 269, 289. So square root of 289 is 17. Value of H is 17. Now we have to find the value of sin A and sec. So sin A equal to P by H. Here value of P is 15, value of H is 17. So it is 15 by 17. Second sec A. So sec A equal to H by B. What is the value of H? 17 and value of B is 8. 17 by 8. This is the answer. Next, now question number 5. Here given sec theta equal to 13 by 12. Solution sec theta equal to 13 by 12. Yes, formula of sec theta equal to H by B. So H, value of H is 13, value of B is 12. Now I have to find the value of P. So P equal to root under H square minus B square. So H is 13, 13 square minus B is 12 square. So 169, 144, root 25. So square root of 25 is 5. Value of H is, value of P is 5. Now we have to calculate all other trigonometrical ratio. So there are 6 trigonometrical ratio. One is sine, second is cos, third is tan, cosec, sec, cot. So one is given here, sec theta equal to 13 by 12. Rest 5 trigonometrical ratio we have to find. So first sine A equal to P by H. P, value of P is 5, value of H is 13. So this is one answer. Second is cos A equal to B by H. Value of B is 12, H is 13, 12 by 13. Tan A equal to P by B. So here P, value of P is 5, value of B is 12. This is the answer of tan A. Now remaining is cosec A equal to H by P. Value of H is 13, value of P is 5, 13 by 5. Sec A is already given in the question, so no need to give the answer of sec A. So remove this. Now cot A equal to B by P. What is the value of B? It is 12 and P, value of P is 5. So remaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining 5 trigonometrical ratio value we found. So these are the answers. Now next question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that angle A equal to angle B. Here acute angle. What is acute angle? Acute angle means which angle less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So solution given cos A equal to cos B. It is given in the question. Now we have to find the angle A and angle B, both will be equal. We have to give this solution. So Suppose this is right angle triangle and angle C is the 90 degree. This is A and this is B. If angle A and angle B both are acute angle, that means in a right angle triangle, both acute angle, sum of both acute angle always will be 90 degree. So here if angle C equal to 90 degree, then angle A and angle B, sum of angle A and angle B will be 90 degree. Why? Because sum of all three angles will be 180 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, then another remaining two angles sum will be also 90 degree. So if I will talk about B equal to 90 minus A, I can write this. Angle B equal to 90 minus A. If I will put here B, value of B, then cos A equal to cos 90 minus A. Cos gone. Now A equal to 90 minus A. So if I will take this one A to left side, then A plus A will be 90 degree, 2A equal to 90 degree, A equal to 90 by 2, that means 45 degree. A equal to 45 degree and B A equal to 45 degree. A plus B equal to 90 degrees. So A plus B equal to 90 degree. That means angle A is 45 degree and B equal to 90 degree. So B equal to 45 degree. B equal to, this is the equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, both are equal. Angle A equal to angle B equal to 45 degree. This is the answer. Now next question, question number 7. If cot theta equal to 7 by 8, then evaluate the following value. Okay. So given cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Cot theta equal to B by P, as we know the formula. Cot theta equal to B by P. Here H is absent. H, we have to find the value of H. So P square plus B square. So what will be the value of H? 49 plus 64. Here value is root 113. So this is the expression. We have to find the value of this expression. Expression equal to root under 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So we can find out the solution of this question by 2-3 method. First, we can put the formula of A plus B into A minus B, A plus B into A minus B. According to that formula, also we can solve this problem. But if we don't want to put that formula, then we can directly put the value of sin theta and cos theta. That way also we can solve. So first method I am going to solve to put the value. So I will solve this problem with two methods. First method, I will directly put the value of sin theta and cos theta. So here 1 plus sin theta, formula of sin theta is P by H, and 1 minus P by H, and 1 plus B by H to 1 minus B by H. So here 1 plus, what is the value of P? P is 8. 8 by root under 113, 1 minus 8 by root under 113 by 1 plus B by H. b by h, what is the value of b? 7, h root under 113, so 1 minus 7 by root under 113. This, so now I can do the addition of fraction here and subtraction of fraction here. So LCM will be root under 113. So root under 113 plus 8, and here will be also LCM root under 113 minus 8 by root under 113, root under 113 plus 7 into root under 113 minus 7. This will be 1. Now, so this is plus, this is minus. If I will multiply this, so this will be 113, this will be a plus 8 root 113, and this will be minus 1. This will be plus 8 root 113. This will be minus 64. Minus 64. And this will be 113. And this will be minus 7 root 113. And this will be plus 7 root 113 minus 49. So this gone, this gone. 113. So 113 plus minus 64. Minus 64. So 3 minus 113 minus 64, 113 plus minus 49, minus 49. So what will be the result? So 9, 49 and 49 by 64. This is the answer using first method. So using first method, 49 by 64 is the answer. Now I am going to solve this using second method. Second method, I will directly use the formula of a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. So what I will do, I will put formula here. So a square 1 square minus sin square theta, 1 square minus cos square theta. So what will be 1 minus sin square theta? It will be cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, it will be sin square theta. So cos square theta by sin square theta, cot square theta. So cot, value of cot is already given 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 square. 49, square of 7 is 49, square of 8 is 64. So this is also the second method. It is easiest method. So whatever method you want to use, you can use. It is 49 by 64. Now second problem, it is cot theta. You know, value of cot theta is already given 7 by 8. 7 by 8, a square of 7 by 8, 49 by 64. This is the answer. So question number 8. What is the question number 8? It is, if 3 cot a equal to 4, check whether 1 minus 10 square a by 1 plus 10 square equal to cos square a minus sin square a or not. So first of all, I will write the value which is given. So 3 cot a equal to 4. It is given. So cot a equal to 4 by 3. So cot a equal to b by p. So and here h is not given. So h equal to root under p square plus b square. So p square 4 square plus 3 square plus 9. So root 25. So it is value of h is 5. Now in expression in LHS, first I will write the LHS, then RHS. If it will be equal, it will be equal. LHS equal to 1 minus 10 square A by 1 plus 10 square A. 10 square A. So 1 minus P by B whole square, 1 plus P by B whole square. So 1 minus, what is the value of P and B? P and B, value of P is 3, B is 4. So 3 by 4 square. 1 plus 3 by 4 square. So 1 minus 9 by 16. 1 plus 9 by 16. So what will be the value? 16 minus 9 by 16 as 16 plus 9 by 16. 16 1. So 16 minus 9, 7. 16 plus 9, so 25. This is the LHS. Now I will talk about RHS. So RHS is cos square A minus sin square A. So B by H whole square minus P by H whole square. So what is the value of B? Value of B is 4. Value of H is 5. 4 by 5 square minus P by H. So 3 by 5 whole square. So 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. So 25. So 16 minus the 7 by 25. So this is the RHS and this is LHS. So both are equal. LHS and RHS both are equal. So check whether these and these equal or not. Yes, it is equal. It is equal. Now what is the next question? Question number 9 is, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. So there is one right angle triangle. Right angle, this is right angle triangle, and angle at B is right angle. It is B and 90 degrees. If tan A equal to 1 by root 3, A means if it is B, this is, suppose it is A and it is C. So according to this angle, tan A value is given. So tan A equal to P by B. So P by B. So this is the 1 and this is B. So this is root 3. So what will be the value of H? H will be H equal to root under P square plus B square. So P is 1 square plus root 3 square. So 1 plus root 3 square is 3. So root 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So here H is 2. Value of H is 2. So expression is given here. This is the expression and we have to find the value of this expression. So sin A equal to sin A, I will take this angle. So this is the P and this is the B and this is the H. So sin A equal to, this is sin A, P by H. So BC by AB. BC by AB into cos C. So for this angle will be taken. So cos C, for cos C, B by H. So this will be the B and this will be the H. So BC by AC. Here BC by AC. Now plus sign cos A. So this angle, so B by H. This is the B and this is H. Root AB by AC. AB by AC. And sin C into sin C. So this angle, so P by H. AB by AC. AB by AC. Now we can put the value of all sides. So BC, what is the value of BC? BC is 1. AB is root 3 into BC. BC is 1 and AC is 2 plus AB by AB root 3, AB by AC, AC is 2 into AB by root 3 by AC 2. So 1 multiply 1 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 3 by 2. So what will be the answer? So 2 root 3 2 root 3. So it will be 1 plus 2 2 1 root 3 3 root 3 3 root 3. But as you know, this root, we have to remove root from denominator. We have to rationalize it. For rationalize, what we will do, we have to multiply with the same root number, numerator and denominator. So what will be the final answer? So root 3 plus 9 by root 3 3 into 2 6. So this is the final answer. Now second, 9 second 9 seconds. So cos A into cos C. So first of all, I have to make this figure here also in second page also. So this is the B, this is the A, and this is the C. This value is 1, this value is 3, this value is 2. So cos A, this is the expression, and cos A, this angle will be taken. So cos A will equal to B by H, AB by AC into cos C. This angle will be taken. So B by H, BC by AC minus sin A. So P by H, so BC by AC into sin C, AB by AC. Okay. So now I have to put the value of all sides. So value of AB equal to root 3 by 2, BC 1 by AC 2 minus BC 1 AC 2 AB root 3 AC 2. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. So what will be the answer? It is 0. This is the answer. Next, question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angle triangle at Q. So this is right angle triangle. Angle Q at 90 degree. This is 90 degree, and okay, PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter. So this is P and this is R. PQR. Okay. So suppose if PQ is 5 centimeter. Okay. This is 5 centimeter, and PR plus QR, both sum is 25 centimeter. Okay. Suppose this is H. If it is X, then it will be 25 minus X. It will be 25 minus X. Now, now we have to determine the value of sin P, cos P, and tan P. Okay. So as per Pythagoras theorem, we know the formula H square equal to p square plus b square. So what is the value of h? Here it is x square plus p square plus b square. So p square 25 minus x square plus b square 5 square. So x square, so a minus p 1 minus b whole square. So we have to put the formula of a minus b whole square. So here 25 square minus 2ab, 2 into 25 into x plus x square. Here 5, 25. So x square minus 625. So 50x plus x square plus 25. So this will gone, this will gone. So this is the 50x. We will take to left side. So 50x in plus sign, and this 625 and 25 will be 650 equal to 650 and x equal to 650 by 50. So 0 gone, 13. So what is the value of x? X equal to 30. So h equal to 13 and this will be 25 minus 13, 12. So this is the value. Now we have to go in. Here is a space, we can utilize this space. First of all, sin p. Sin p. We know the formula p by h. According to p angle, this p angle, what will be the value of p? So in front of this angle, this will be the p. So it is 12. And h, what is the h? H is always fixed, it is 13. So 12 by 13. Value of sin p is 12 by 13. Now cos p. Cos p equal to, so b by h. What is the formula? B by h. Here b is 5 centimeter and h is always fixed, 13. This is the answer. Now 10p. What is the formula of 10? So p by b. So what is the, according to this angle, what is the p? So this is the p, it is 12. So 12, what is the b? It is 5. 12 by 5. These three are the answers. So sin p equal to 12 by 13, cos p equal to 5 by 13 and 10p equal to 12 by 5. Okay, so this is the 10. Now question 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answers. So true or false, the value of 10a is always less than 1. So value of 10a is always less than 1. This is false. This is false. Why it is false? Because you know the 1060 degree is equal to root 3. 1060 degree equal to root 3, which is greater than 1. Which is greater than 1. So it means it is not possible the value of 10 is always less than 1. It might be greater than 1 also. Now second number questions. So sec A equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Is it possible or not? So we know the formula of sec A equal to h by b. H by b. H is in numerator. So h is always greater. H is greatest value in all three sides. So it is greatest value in 5 and 12. It is greater value. So it is possible. It is possible. So it is true. It is true. Now question number 3. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. So what is the full form of cos? So this is the question. Cos, full form of cos is cosine. What is the full form of cos? It is cosine. Cosine, not cosecant. So it is false. So it is false. It is false. So you should remember the full form of all six trigonometrical ratio. So I will display here. I will write down here all full form of all six trigonometrical ratio. So first of all, I am solving these two problems, and then I will put the full form of all six trigonometrical ratio. So cot A is the product of cot and A. So cot A, can we write cot into A? Cot into A. Here, is it product sign? It is multiplication sign? No, not. Never. It is false. It is false. It is false. Here it is not product sign. It is not multiplication sign. So it is false. Here sin theta equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. So it is true or false. You know the sin theta formula is P by H. P by H. Here H is in denominator. H is in denominator. So below number value should be greatest value. So here it is a smaller value. 3 is a smaller than 4. So denominator value is less. In sin theta, always denominator value is greater than numerator value. So it is false. It is false. So in first number it is false, second it is true, third it is false because it is full form of cos is cosine, and third is also false, fourth is also false. Only 2 is true in these 11 number questions. So now I am going to put the full form of all trigonometrical ratio. You know sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So full form of sine is sine E. We will put E. So this is the full form of sine. Full form of cos is, we will put co here. So cosine. It will be cosine. Full form of tan, it is tangent. T-A-N-G-E-N-T. Tangent. Full form of tan is tangent. And full form of cot, in tangent we will put here co. Co. So what will be the full form of cot? Cotangent. 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 Then what is the full form of sec? Full form of sec is, we will put ant in last. So secant. This is the full form of sec. And then what is the full form of cosec? We will put ant here also. In cosec ant. So cosec ant. What is the full form of cosec? It is cosec ant. So this is the full form of all six trigonometrical ratio. So today I have finished this exercise 8.1, and next video I will come with exercise 8.2. Till then, thank you.